You've got 1 in 10 over 65 who's a millionaire or has assets worth £1 million, and you've got 1 in 8 who haven't got £500 worth of assets. So just to blame the older generation is fruitless, and we should be looking at how we sort things out, how we get older people who've got more assets to spend their money because they're not frightened of going into a care home that they won't be able to afford. We've got to look at how we make people healthier. 9 out of 10 of the longest living places are just outside London. The worst is in Sunderland. And it's all down to, are the resources there to look after people? What sort of jobs do you do? The poorer you are, the shorter life you have.
Most of the focus in the press and so on is on the public transfers, the idea that we pay taxes and those taxes pay for health and pensions or education, and so there's this public transfer across the generations. But when we think about it a bit more, you think there are a lot of other transfers going on within the household. Massive resources get transferred down from parents to their children. Also, in terms of time, a lot of families households transfer time up in caring for older generations, and again, looking after younger children. So there are these generations are inextricably linked. And so when we think about intergenerational fairness, we have to think about all those connections. And the big message that we wanted to get out of today's talk was not to pit one generation against another, so baby boomers against millennials fighting it out for these limited resources, but that it is about working this contract, thinking about how the generations work together and how we can improve that so that we can all have a better, longer life.